Welcome to our channel. 4-stroke vs 2-stroke engines, how they work. Power cycle. Alright, first thing, 4-stroke engines run on 4 moves: intake, compression, power, exhaust. It's slow, steady, controlled. Every stroke does one thing. That's why these engines feel smoother. Fuel efficiency. These engines sip fuel efficiently, i.e. less gas wasted and more mileage. If you're thinking long trips or daily driving, 4-strokes are the best choice. Longevity. They last, really last. Parts wear slower because everything moves slower and more controlled. You can hit tens of thousands of miles without major rebuilds. Maintenance. They are extremely low maintenance. You still got to change oil and filters, but you're not constantly tearing it apart. Less mess means fewer headaches. Torque and smoothness. Torque's steady, smooth power delivery, perfect for cars, big bikes, lawnmowers, stuff where you need reliability and control, not explosions every second. Transition. Okay, now let's talk 2-stroke engines. These things are nuts. Fast, aggressive and lightweight. But yeah, they have quirks. 2-stroke engine. Power stroke. Every revolution, every single crank rotation gives you a power stroke. That's twice as often as a 4-stroke. Instant punch gives quick acceleration. You feel it the second you twist the throttle. Simplicity and weight. They have fewer parts, no valves and mostly ports. Less metal means lighter engine. That's why dirt bikes and jet skis love them. Less weight equals more speed. Fuel and oil mix. They burn fuel and oil together. That's why 2-strokes smoke sometimes. Got to keep the oil ratio right, or you're looking at seized pistons real quick. So they are messier than 4-strokes. Maintenance and lifespan. They don't last as long because they experience more wear and tear. You got to rebuild them more often. But if you love tuning and playing mechanic, it's kind of fun. High RPM performance. These engines scream at high RPMs. They love to spin fast. That's why racing bikes, chainsaws, and some outboards use them. They have raw power in a tiny package. Thank you for watching.